I think we are live. Hello. Yes, we are live now. Yes, we are live. So, hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. So, today I am going to provide and I'm going to teach you the most important numerical questions from the chapter CAPM. I think we are repeating some of the questions, but this chapter is actually really important. I hope you will like this lecture today. So, let's wait for the students until they are going to get the notification. Just let me know if you are able to get everything properly. Let me just vibrate it. 10 students are here with us. Hi students, welcome back. So in the chat session, just let me know if you are able to watch this lecture properly. Hello Sonali Roy, hello Vedika, hello Rohit Kumar. So I hope students you are able to watch this lecture properly. Just let me know in the comment section in the chat session. So let's start our session today. So before starting, we do the RBI Grade B 2018 and 2019 courses in which we are providing the video classes, the test series for both phase 1 and phase 2, proper study material, and RBI Grade B GK digest subscription, the well analyzed notes. Everything is a part of RBI Grade B 2018 and 2019 course. So if you want to apply for the 2018 exam, the RBI Grade B 2018 course is for you, and if you want to apply for the 2019 exam, the RBI Grade B 2019 course is for you. So let's start with beta. What is beta? Hi students, hello, hi. A lot of you are back again. So let's just do this. What is beta? Beta, this is the symbol for beta. Beta is a measure of volatility or systematic risk, right? So different types of risk that I'm going to discuss in the next slides of a security. So how do you measure the risk? The measurement of risk. How do you measure the risk? Beta is a measure of volatility. That's how you measure the risk. So let's say the beta of one indicator, for example, let's say we are talking about Sensex. What is the beta of Sensex? It's 1. There should be some benchmark 1. And let's say the volatility of Reliance Industries stock is less than the Sensex. Let's say it's 0.95. And the volatility of SBI's share, it's let's say 1.10. Then the beta of SBI is higher than 1. So it is more risky. And the Reliance Industries share, it is less risky. Right? So what is risk? Risk is nothing but volatility. Are you getting it? So if the return of Sensex is like this, Sensex is going like this, and one share is going like this, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Let's say this is a share, and then let's say there is another share is this one. So this share, which is actually moving a lot, is more risky. For example, you invested some money here, you are going to lose a lot of money. But for example, you invested some money here, you cannot lose that much of money. So that is what beta is. I hope you are able to understand, students. If you are able to understand, just let me know in the chat session. I hope you are able to understand. Should we continue? Yes, I think we should continue. Yes, Ashraf, we will provide the notes. So let's move forward. What is the simple formula to calculate the beta? This question is actually really important. Mark my words, students. In the RBI Grade B exam, in the FM section, you are going to find this question. Mark my words. There is a high probability. So that's the simple formula to calculate the beta. The beta is here. R is the expected return of a security. Which security? Let's say SBI, let's say Reliance, let's say any other security, Kajaria, Ceramics and all. B is the beta. RM is the market risk premium. What is the return of whole market? Let's say what is the return of Sensex. RF is a risk-free return. It is same here. The return from government bonds. the return from government securities, what is the return of that? If it is, let's say, 6.7, right now I think it's 6.5, then this is the risk-free return. And let's say from last 5 years the Sensex is giving the 13% return, then 13% is a market risk premium, right? Market risk market return, and RM minus RF is a market risk premium. I mean, this should be like this: market risk premium, whatever money you are making from Sensex, the stocks in the Sensex, minus the risk free return, that is a premium. This is a simple formula that you need to remember, students. You'll be able to understand it more by doing the simple questions. So this is the first question, student. I hope you are able to understand whatever I am talking right now. I hope you are able to understand. Just let me know in the comment section if you are not able to solve it. Is it useful for phase 1 now? It's not useful for phase 1, it's useful for phase 2 actually. So find the expected return on a stock I given the expected return on the market portfolio is 14.1 and the risk premium is 9.1 and the beta of the stock is 1.1. Use this formula here. This is the formula, right? So we need to find the expected return. We need to find the R. So 9.1 is a risk-free return plus the beta is 1.1 and market portfolio return is 14.1 and the again risk-free return is 9.1. This is the premium multiplied by the beta. So 9.1 plus 1.1, this became 5, and 9.1 plus 5.5, this becomes like 14.6%. This is very simple. B's answer. Very simple. I know that many of you are not able to do this, but this question is for you, students. Now you should do it. Do this question yourself. Very simple. Now you need to find a risk-free return. Use the same formula. This is the formula. You need to use the same formula, but here you need to find the risk-free return. This is the simple maths equation. Just try to solve it. I mean, nothing complicated at all. Whatever you are doing in quantitative aptitude and all, this is nothing in front of those questions, right? So Archana, MYKY, Sonali, a lot of you are actually able to solve it. So it's time for the question number 2. It's time for the question number 2, students. So a lot of you are answering it correct. Proud of you. Is it only useful? Yes, it's useful only for the phase 2. But I thought, I mean, Subha, I thought, why not to provide these questions? I mean, these are actually really important questions. I have repeated these questions in my lectures, but I thought, why not to do it today? So let's do it. So second questions. It is a 30 seconds questions. Sir, I am BBI faculty, just graduated. Over section I got. Sir, I am BBI faculty, just graduated. Ages. I got. If I get selected to interview on. Yes, Shubham, obviously they will hire you. I mean, there is no problem. I mean, first of all, you need to crack the exam. You just, I don't want to demotivate you, but crack the exam first, right? You need to focus on your exams. So, Bachelor of Banking Insurance, sir. Oh, okay, it's okay. I mean, focus on your exams first of all. So, anybody, so okay, sir? It's not that difficult, students. What happened? Okay, let me solve these questions for you. Let me solve this question for you. So simply again, the return, the expected return is given. This is 13.65, and then the risk-free return is not available. This, let's take it as X. 1.5 is a beta. Again, it's expected market portfolio is return is 10.7 minus X again. So fairly simple now. 13.65 plus is equal to, it becomes like X plus, you can say just multiply it here. It becomes like 16.5 minus 1.5x. So it becomes 13.65 is equal to, let's say minus 0.5x plus 16.5. So 0.5x is equal to, you just need to deduct this one. This was like 16.05, I think. Yeah. 0.05. Okay, so it becomes like 2.4, then X becomes like 4.8%. So the 4.8% C is the answer, right? Very simple, easy busy. I hope you are able to understand the question, students. So let me know if you are able to understand it. So 2 ka 4.8 aa gaya because this one I have already studied in third year. It's okay, Shubhang. So a lot of you actually answered it. Sonali said C, yes. Yeah, most of you are correct. Somebody's okay, it's okay. Question 2 ka 4.8. Yeah, most of you are correct. So let's do the third question, important question. Find the beta for stock I given the expected return on the stock is 9.3. Is 9.3. First of all, you need to find beta, right? So simple. 9.3 is the return of the stock. Beta is not available. Risk-free return is 2.1 plus beta is not available. Let's deduct the market portfolio return 6.6 minus the beta. So it becomes 2.1 plus beta 4.5, right? I think yes, yeah, 9.3. So take it there. It becomes 7.2 is equal to 4.5 B, and the beta becomes 72 divided by, it's 9's a table. Simple. Actually really simple, students. Yeah, Arpita took no. Yeah, I did wrong. I corrected. So Arpita, yeah, that's great actually, Arpita. You solved it. So the next question, that is for you, students. So just solve this question for me. These are the options. I didn't mention the options here. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Espinosa Coffee and Trading Industries common stock measured, the beta is calculated to be 0.75. The beta of Espinosa Coffee and Trading is 0.75. This is actually really important question. Actually really simple but really important. The market beta is 1.0. This is the market beta. The beta of the industry is 1.10. Calculate the adjusted beta. So really simple question, students. Just do this yourself. This is actually not the point. Just forget about it. Now these are the four options with you. Less than 0.75, more than 0.75, but less than 1.10, equal to 1.10, equal to 0.95. So tell me your answer, students. Should I explain this? What is adjusted beta? Adjusted beta is the estimate of securities future beta. Future mein what beta is going to be? Are you getting it? So future mein what? See, future mein a securities beta is going to move forward towards a market average. What is a market average? Market average is 1. So we are taking 0.65. The market beta is 1. So what we are doing is we are finding the weighted average. So 0.2/3 का weight दे दिया to market and 1/3 का weight दे दिया to the raw beta. To the raw beta, that is the beta of the security, and this will 2/3 दे दिया market को, right? So 0.65, 0.67 multiplied by raw beta. I apologize here. Raw beta को 2/3 दिया है, market को 1/3 दिया है. Sorry for that. So 0.67 multiplied by raw beta plus 1/3 multiplied by 1. So who brought this formula? There may various agencies like Bloomberg. This formula is by Bloomberg. Formula by Merrill Lynch is there, which I mean, instead of 0.33 they are doing 0.34. Some of that institutions they are doing like 0.3347, something like that. So there are various organizations with minor adjustments. So let's do the simple questions. So we are doing a Bloomberg's formula only. So 0.33 plus 1 multiplied by 1 is the market beta, right? Multiplied by 0.33 plus 0.66 multiplied by 0.75. This is the raw beta of Esponisa coffee. So it became 0.33 plus, how you are going to do this? 2/3 multiplied by 3/4, so it becomes half. So this is 1/3, this is plus half is there, so it became like I think 833 something. This is as per the Bloomberg formula, right? But Bloom formula people you call it, but there are some other formulas in which this can actually increase from 0.83 to like, it can increase to like 0.9, 0.1 like that, right? So the answer is, correct answer is 0.75, more than 0.75 but less than 1.0. There is a proper formula for that, but there are many formulas. So it cannot be exactly 0.75, it cannot be exactly 1.0, it cannot be exactly 0.95, but it varies because there are various formulas to calculate it. I hope you are able to understand, students. Mine is correct. Yes, Ashraf, yours was correct. Even MYKY, yours was correct. 0.95 was not correct at all, actually. So let's move forward. The greater the beta, the dash of the security involved, there is a dash. Give me your answer. Fifth answer, give me your answer, MYKY. Ashraf, a lot of students are there. Give me your answer. Nishant Kumar and all cannot understand the adjusted. Sonali said, telling me I cannot understand the adjusted beta. Sonali, see, adjusted beta is the estimate of future beta value. आज बीटा जो है is let's say 0.9. फ्यूचर में क्या होगा? Are you getting it? The beta, आज बीटा is 0.9. Future में it is going to be closer to 1.0. Why 1.0? Because this is the market portfolio's beta. So that is why 2/3 इसका हमने 2/3 कर दिया, रॉ बीटा का हमने 2/3 कर दिया. अगर आज 0.9 है तो उसका 2/3 दे दिया. और जो मार्केट बीटा है जो है हमारा 1, सॉरी फॉर दैट, मार्केट बीटा जो हमारा है 1, उसको हमने 1/3 दे दिया और इसका एक वेटेड एवरेज निकाल के हमने एवरेज निकाल दिया अपना वेटेड. ओके, दैट इज सो सिंपल. So the greater the beta, the dash of the security involved, the greater the unavoidable risk, the greater the avoidable risk, the less the unavoidable risk, the less avoidable risk. So let me tell you what are avoidable and unavoidable risk. So there are basically two types of risk. The first one is the avoidable risk and the second one is the unavoidable risk, right? Unavoidable risk that you cannot avoid. Suppose you have invested, let's say 20 lakh rupees in various stocks, right? Let's say 20 stocks में आपने 20 lakh rupees invest कर दिए. कल no confidence motion था, right? If government गिर जाती, if the government changes, if the government collapse, the market is going to collapse as well, because market doesn't like the instability in that politics. Are you getting it? So that is an unavoidable kind of a risk that you cannot avoid. That unavoidable risk is going to impact the complete whole of the economy, all the stocks. While avoidable risk can be avoided, right? As the name suggests. For example, there was PNB. There was a scam in the PNB. You could avoid that by, diversifying, right? So the greater the beta is, dash of the security, the greater. So give me your answers, students. So give me your answers, give me your answers. Give me your answers, students. The greater the beta, I'm waiting for your answers. See, students, the greater the beta. So let me just answer this one first. So the greater the beta is, obviously the risk will be more, right? But what kind of risk this one is going to be? Avoidable or unavoidable? I mean, these are actually not the answers. Obviously, less risk is not the answer. Is it going to be avoidable or the unavoidable? If the beta is high, right, what kind of risk is going to be high? The unavoidable risk is there, in which whole of the market is facing all the stocks are facing the similar sort of risk. So the correct answer, as most of you are told, is A actually, right? It is unavoidable risk, na? Okay, hope you're getting it. So this is a very important question, very simple question actually. Find the expected return of ABC Limited. Expected return is given here, probability is given here. So there is a simple formula that I'm going to use. Just let me know. ऋषि अनुराग, numericals का level वैसे ही होता है जैसा अभी आप देख रहे हैं. Understood, Pravina Lakshmi. So I hope you're getting it. Should I solve this question for you? So I don't want to get in depth into this question. This is nothing but a weighted average. So what you need to do is 0.15, 0.15, this is in minus, multiplied by 0.15. So this is little complicated, you know. This is not in minus. Are you getting it? So students, this is the homework for you. Just do the multiplication yourself here. Arpita is saying 0.6.75 is the answer. Anybody else? Anybody else? Correct answer according to me is 5.25. So this is actually a very simple question. The correct answer is 5.25%. So I have already solved it, but just solve it yourself. You are going to find this answers. This is a simple question actually. So I hope you are able to understand. These are the actually really important questions according to me. So let's answer your doubts. If you are having any sort of doubt for this lecture, you can ask it right away. So RBI Grade B 2018 and 2019 courses are available, and I request all of you students, whoever are watching this, the RBI Grade B GK Digest monthly capsule, please go through it. This is actually very important for you. RBI Grade B monthly digest, this is actually very important. And we have prepared the test series for RBI Grade B exam, that is also available on BankExamsToday.com. BankExamsToday.com. So everything is available on BankExamsToday.com, right? So any doubt, students? I hope I have solved all the doubts today. Yes, students, just let me know if you are facing any doubt. Aaj sabko, hi Raman, hi Nilesh, hey buddy, what's up? So Nilesh, he's a good friend from last 4 years actually. His wife cleared that Bank of Baroda PO, and I personally know him from last 4 years. He was a moderator of, one of my old projects. So I hope you are well, Nilesh. I hope you are good, man. So Sonali, nice session. Thank you. Ashraf Siddiqui sir, as soon as possible provide the ESI notes. Ashraf, the ESI notes are actually available on BankExamsToday.com. Why don't you join that RBI Grade B 2018 course, man? So I have been following your live daily and subscribed. Will be enough. I need one more live streams from background. Yes, Pravina, it would be enough. And to you, Ashraf, just get this RBI Grade B GK Digest subscription. That would be enough, right? So there is some dance academy wala is there. Nilesh, all good, thanks. So provide the notes of worth watching. So thank you, Vedika. Thanks a lot, man. So I think that's all for today. It's 6:30, 6:26 now. Good to see you, Nilesh. So that's all for today, I think. I hope you are preparing for RBI Grade B exam, Nilesh. So best of luck to you. So what's watching? Thank you. Thanks a lot. What's watching? Thank you. Sir, I'm not from finance background, but the engineering, sir, how to start your preparations? Have gone back. So Vinash, if you want to join the RBI Grade B 2019 course, we are just on the third chapter. We are doing on the third chapter. You can join that. So that's what I can recommend you. Instead of 2018 course, you can join the 2019 course and prepare for the 2019 exam. That would be the amazing strategy, right? So appearing for 2018 is not a good strategy for you, right? So any other doubt in your mind? Very helpful section. Sir, GK कहाँ से पढ़ें? Karthik Kumar, for GK, the one-stop solution is RBI Grade B GK Digest Monthly. That is the best solution available right now. Just came to see you live. Thank you, Nilesh. Nilesh यहाँ पे सिर्फ मुझे live देखने के लिए आए हैं. Thanks a lot, Nilesh. Call करें यार कल मुझे. We'll have a chat. So thank you, Abhigna Kayala. So thanks all, thank you. Thanks a lot, everybody. So I hope I have answered all the doubts. So thank you and thanks. Have a nice day.